Welcome to YOUCANIC. We got our 2019 Nissan Sentra here. We're going to go over how you would put your door handle back on. We've replaced the door lock actuator, and to replace the door lock actuator you need to take this whole handle off and this plastic piece behind here. So that's been installed back in with the locks. It's just held in by this plastic clips. Then you got to take the electric here, run it back through the hole here, both the wires, and then you're going to take this, the plastic handle piece here, work it in there, make sure it's all pulled through there. And then once you've got it in like this, pull the handle toward the front of the vehicle. Then you'll take this, the door lock cylinder, and then you just push it in there. And then when it's in there, we have the T30 in here that we need to tighten up. And now that's tightened up. Then we can go ahead and put our little cap back on. And then we have some electric lines that we need to hook up. Right? So we've got this wire wraps up around the back of the plastic here, clips in right there, and then this connector connects right there. This one you'll feed up through, there's a little connector, you can feed it through there, and then up on the top, connected in the hole there. So you route all of the wires back up, connect them back up. Got that all hooked in. Reconnect the little metal line over here, and then we're gonna want to put this back in. It goes up and down in. Alright, so once you've lined up the connection of that channel for your window to go up and down, then you just move this to line the hole up down here, where you'll move the channel, hold it against there, and line up your hole here and put your number 10 bolt in there. And so that's how you put that all back in. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.